Okay, so here I am on my Facebook page, and here is my video card from the other day. Okay, so if you've already uploaded your video to Facebook, if you want to adjust and add captions, you just have to click on the upper right hand corner here, and we're going to click on Edit Post. When we do that, all of our options come up that came up when we originally uploaded our video to Facebook. So your title, your tags, your call to action are all here. The call to action, you have a choice from the drop-down menu, no button, book now, download, learn more. So I chose learn more, and I just linked it up to my website, kpolana.com, and it displays visit my online portfolio. So under here, after basic, you have captions. So now, yay, we have an SRT file. So let's upload it, shall we? So I've just downloaded it from YouTube. Okay, so it's yelling at me. I'm shooting, just don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to upload what YouTube gave me, but it's saying that it has an incorrect file name. Please use this file name format. filename.en. Okay, so let's see what the problem is. Downloads folder, and I'm just going to double click, and ta-da, I'm going to use the exact name that they gave me. I have no idea why this is so important, but okay. So now I'm going to go back to Facebook, and let's try again to upload that using their file name. It likes it. He likes it. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Default language, we'll just say it's English, and we are good to go. Let's see if we need to do anything else. We need to save that. And haha, okay, I've got captions. Hooray! Okay, so it works.
Hi, my name is Kristen. I'm an artist, educator, and author, teaching thousands of university students around the world since 2000. I've also been teaching online since 2014 to tens of thousands of students.
Okay, I know you don't want to watch that again, but great. So over here in my settings, I have it set to HD, and I have it set to captions. One thing just quickly about video on Facebook is it doesn't automatically play your video at HD quality. So you might want to actually put in your post, this is my pinned post on my Facebook page, please click HD in the lower right to view video at best quality. I'm just nitpicky. I just couldn't stand the fact that it was playing automatically at this really reduced low quality. So at least I've offered the suggestion so they know it's not me, it's Facebook. So that is the rundown on uploading your video to YouTube, adding your own captions, and then downloading the SRT file and using it on your Facebook video. So it's a lot to take in. If you have any questions, just ask me in the discussion forum, or you might want to just go back and review this lecture more slowly as you do it along with me. Thanks. See you in the next lesson.